With so much riding on your tires, it's critical to regularly inspect and maintain them. Let's review some key tire safety regulations and tips to help prevent crashes and avoid DOT violations. DOT tire regulations aim to ensure that your tires meet certain standards for performance and safety, including minimum legal tread depth and proper tire inflation pressures. Your truck will be placed out of service if you have a tire that 1. Has body ply or belt material exposed through the tread or sidewall. 2. Has any tread or sidewall separation. 3. Is flat or has an audible leak, or 4. Has a cut to the extent that the ply or belt material is exposed. A flat tire or audible leak violation is one of the most common vehicle-related DOT violations given each year. All of these major out-of-service violations will have your truck sidelined until the tire can be repaired or replaced. Each violation will also cost you 8 CSA basic points and a possible fine if discovered by law enforcement. Let's review the major tire regulations and how to prevent DOT violations. Tire tread depth. One of the main DOT tire regulations is regarding the minimum allowed legal tread depth. All steer tires must have a tread groove pattern depth of at least 4/32 of an inch when measured at any point on a major tread groove. The DOT minimum tread depth for all other tractor tires and all trailer tires is 2/32 of an inch when measured in a major tread groove. These tread depth limits help ensure that there is enough traction on the road in wet or slippery conditions. A tire's major grooves are found in the center of the tire and can be easily identified by looking for a tread wear indicator inside the groove. You can usually expect that you'll lose about 1/32 of an inch of tread wear for every 10,000 miles traveled under most operating conditions. All fleets and tires are different, but the 10,000 miles per 1/32 of an inch is a good starting point. Recording and tracking your tire tread depths once a month or every 10,000 miles will help you better plan your tire replacements. Doing this regularly will help you avoid DOT violations, prevent crashes and reduce the chances of a roadside tire emergency. Tire condition. Other important regulations relate to tire condition. All tires must be free from any bulges, cuts, cracks, or other damage that could potentially cause a blowout while driving. Additionally, no tire can have any exposed cords or belts and the weight of the truck can't exceed the amount listed on the sidewalls of the tires. The DOT tire regulations also prohibit the use of retreaded or regrooved tires in the steer tire positions of any commercial vehicle. Another important DOT tire regulation deals with size and load capacity. The size of your tire should match the specifications outlined by your equipment manufacturer. Overloading a tire can cause it to fail or blow out, which could lead to an accident. Tire inflation. Underinflated tires can cause excessive heat buildup and tread separation, while overinflated tires can cause uneven wear patterns leading to reduced handling capabilities. Tire safety is especially important for specialized haulers like car haulers or those hauling oversized or overdimensional loads. Operating on trailer tires that are overloaded or overinflated when carrying these loads can easily, and pretty quickly, catch fire. Tire pressure. There are no DOT tire regulations related to specific tire pressures that must be maintained. DOT regulations simply state that, no motor vehicle shall be operated on a tire which has a cold inflation pressure less than that specified for the load being carried. This is the FMCSA's way of saying that your tires should be properly inflated at all times. The DOT recommends checking tire pressures at least once a week to make sure they fall within the manufacturer's recommended range. DOT tire age limits. There are no DOT tire age regulations regarding commercial trucks. However, this doesn't mean that you can continue using your truck tires indefinitely. The lifespan of a commercial truck tire depends on several factors such as its quality, usage pattern, maintenance schedule, and environmental conditions. Most manufacturers recommend replacing a truck tire after 10 years from the date of manufacture. After this period, the rubber compounds start to break down due to oxidation and exposure to UV rays and heat. This process makes them more susceptible to blowouts and other tire safety hazards while driving. You should inspect your tires every day before driving to ensure proper inflation levels and good tire condition. You don't have to check depths and pressure levels each day, but inspect each tire for obvious signs of pressure or condition issues. Many drivers are in the habit of thumping their tires to judge their inflation levels. This method isn't exactly scientific, but it can provide you with a good feel of a tire's inflation level. Inspecting your tires regularly should help you detect any issues and prevent DOT violations, crashes and fires. Here are some important tire safety tips. 1. Check your tires for wear and damage regularly. Look for any signs of punctures, cuts, or bulges, and make sure the tread depth is within legal limits. 2. Proper tire pressure is critical to safety and fuel efficiency. So, check your tire pressures frequently to ensure they are at the recommended levels. 3. Rotating your tires regularly can help promote even wear and extend their lifespan. 4. Avoid overloading your truck since this can cause excessive wear on your tires and increase the risk of blowouts. Make sure you adhere to weight limits and distribute cargo evenly across your vehicle. 5. Drive more carefully. Driving too fast, braking abruptly, and taking turns too quickly can all increase the likelihood of tire failure. 6. Invest in high-quality tires that are designed for your specific vehicle and driving conditions. Cheaper, low-quality tires may seem like a cost-saving solution, but they can lead to safety hazards and increased maintenance costs in the long run. 7. Have a spare tire available in case of a blowout or other tire-related issues. Also ensure that it is properly inflated and in good condition. Ultimately, following the DOT tire regulations is essential for ensuring both driver safety and compliance with federal law. Regular inspections and maintenance can help prevent accidents caused by faulty or worn-out tires while keeping your commercial vehicles operating safely on the road.